If you also want clear, attractive, and glass-like glowing skin just like Koreans, then make sure you follow all 4 steps in this video carefully. No matter how bad your skin is right now, it can completely transform from this to this. We often see celebrities and big influencers on social media. Their skin always shines and it looks like they spend tons of money on expensive treatments. But let me tell you the truth. You don't need to spend a lot of money to achieve glowing, glass-like skin. It's possible if you watch this video till the end without skipping even a single part. Only then will you see a real glow up in your skin. And if you're serious about looking attractive, handsome, and charming, then drop a comment saying, "I'm in." Because from today, your life is about to change. Now, glowing from the outside is important, but before that, we need to clean our body from the inside. Because if the inside of our body is not healthy, we can never glow outside. So here's the first step. As soon as you wake up in the morning, drink a big glass of warm water with fresh lemon juice. This simple drink is super effective. It helps flush out toxins from your body. You can apply anything on your face, but if your body isn't clean from the inside, you'll never see lasting results. It also improves your digestion, and we all know that when the stomach is clean, the skin automatically looks clearer. Lemon water is rich in antioxidants. It fights free radicals inside your body. It gives your face a glow that you might not even believe at first. Just try it for 7 days. If you don't see any results, you can come back and tell me. And I'm saying this so confidently because I've personally tried it for a long time and got amazing results. Now, lemon water will clean you from the inside, but what about the dirt and pollution that gets stuck on your skin from the outside? That's where step 2 comes in. Deeply cleanse your face. Every single day, dust, sweat, and pollution pile up on our face. This hides the natural glow and also causes acne, pimples, dark spots, and tanning, making us look dull and unattractive. That's why you must wash your face twice a day. Never use soap because it dries out your skin and doesn't help with pimples. Instead, you need a face wash according to your skin type. But what if you don't know your skin type? Here's a quick way to figure it out. Wash your face with plain water and don't apply anything for 30 minutes. If your skin feels dry or itchy, you have dry skin. If your T-zone, nose, and forehead gets oily while the rest of the face feels normal or dry, that's combination skin. If your entire face feels oily and greasy, then you have oily skin. And if you feel nothing, that means you have normal skin. Once you know your skin type, stick to a gentle cleanser that suits your skin. Avoid switching between random products. A good face wash that works for your skin type will keep your face clean, refreshed, and smooth without causing harm. Now, let's move to step 3. Maintain proper oxygen levels in your blood. You must have noticed that actors and actresses often have naturally glowing skin even without makeup. That's not magic, it's because they maintain their body's oxygen levels. One of the most effective ways to do this is through a yoga pose called Shirshasana. When you do a headstand, the blood flow reverses and moves more toward your head and face. And since blood carries oxygen, when more oxygen-rich blood reaches your face, the skin starts glowing naturally. So just spend 5 minutes a day practicing headstand. Within a few days, you'll start noticing visible results. Finally, step 4. Deep sleep. You must have noticed that whenever you wake up after a good deep sleep, your face looks fresh and glowing. That's because deep sleep improves blood circulation and increases oxygen levels in the body. During this time, your skin develops new cells and goes through the self-healing process. But when you don't sleep well, your skin looks dull, tired, and lifeless because the healing process is incomplete. That's why sleeping 7 to 8 hours every night is absolutely essential. So, if you follow these 4 steps consistently, you'll soon achieve glass-like glowing skin without spending thousands on treatments. Don't just keep this video to yourself. Share it with at least one friend, and if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.